Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ide, and if today is your first time of seeing my video, then you're welcome. In this video, we are going to be making something special with plantain, unripe plantain. I have my unripe plantains here. Okay, we are going to bake our plantain and eat it locally the way we used to. Roasted plantain and Ukpaka. Let's get started. I'm going to start by peeling my plantain. This is a special local way of eating plantain. I'm going to be using local ingredients called oil bean in English. Fermented oil bean and red oil, and then we roast the plantain. We roast it in the oven. Okay, and I peel it first. So I'm going to wrap it individually in the foil. It's going to keep it moist and not dry. Okay, then we'll put it in the rack. Wrap it like this. Back home, they use charcoal to roast it. Okay, and also, okay, we're gonna put it in the oven rack. Then it will bake. It will keep it moist when you wrap it and not dry. All right. So we have it all wrapped. Now I'm going to place it on the oven rack. The oven is heated. I'll place it on the rack and allow it to bake and roast. All right. So this is the oba that we are going to be using. Okay, for the roasted plantain. All right, let's make the sauce. So we have our fresh pepper. We're gonna get our ingredients for the roasted plantain. We are getting the ingredients for the roasted plantain ready. So I have our onions. gonna make our sauce. Have red oil. This. Going to season with bouillon. Some salt. Just let's warm it a little, not too much. Okay. So it doesn't dry. So our roasted plantain is ready. It's roasted. It is ready and it's very hot. Okay, I'm going to unwrap one. And look at that. Okay, this is what we want. I'm gonna cut it. Look at that. Okay, it's well roasted and it's not dry, as I said. If you want to roast it, put it in the foil so it doesn't dry. All right, look at that. It's well roasted and it's not dry. Okay, let's plate our food. So today we prepared a delicious Igbo Nigerian delicacy. Okay, it's roasted plantain and Ukpaka, oil bean. All right, and we've come to the end of this video. It smells so good. So look at our plantain. It's properly cooked. We baked it in the oven, but it's not dry, so you have to wrap it with a foil. And look at our sauce. It smells so good. Please share, subscribe, comment, and I will see you once again in my next video. Have a blessed new year.